today we're cooking up some chili verde. Alright, now we've added our Anaheims, which we chopped up, and to the meat. We now want to do some chicken broth. Just get your chicken broth, pour it on in. It's real good. Alright, take a look at this. This is what it's going to be looking like. Get our chicken broth here, stir it up. Now I bought 2 cans. I'm going to add 1 more, that's just not enough. So let's chop it up. Maybe open it up. Alright. Alright, now we're going to stir it up a little more. We're going to let it sit right here. We've added it. You can add, if you want it thicker, don't add as much. If you want it runny, add a bunch. Alright, it can, 1 can can stretch it a little more. So just do what you want, play with it. Add a little more flour if you want it to be a little thicker. Just, I didn't add a lot. I didn't want just taste of flour, but that does thicken it. That's good.